Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
If you're in the mood for strawberries, you can't do better than Dahu Township in Miaoli County. Surrounded by mountains, the area is protected from the northeasterly wind and enjoys a mild climate with plenty of rain. It's the perfect set of conditions for big, sweet strawberries. Visitors can check out the Strawberry Cultural Center to learn how to make strawberry wine and enjoy delicious local foods. Also worth a visit is the nearby Da Wowen Ecological Park, in which you can trace the archaeological record of the local Hakka settlement.
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
我也要這樣講，各位聽眾朋友，大家好。All right, 我係 Josephine. There you go. I have a different way to introduce myself. Thank you so much. All right, Leo, 今天帶我們出去玩吧。
好，沒問題。
好不好？你知道嗎？尤其我知道現在是草莓季節
啊，超卡，
對不對？
預計是到4月
到4月 right. For this particular episode, I want Leo to take us to somewhere that is popular with strawberries. 其實在台灣很有名有草莓的地方就叫大湖，對不對？
沒錯噶，
你知道嗎？
苗栗太湖，
Right.
苗栗大湖的氣候啊，是剛剛好，很適合這個草莓生長，所以那個草莓種起來又大顆又紅啊，
That's right.
看起來就好吃。
Perfect. Okay, if you want to pick some strawberries, go to a place called 大湖，而且那是你的家鄉啊，
超噶啊，
對不對？Okay, so how do you say 草莓 strawberry?
臭梅。
臭梅 Okay, that's strawberry. 然後呢 the township you want to look for is 大湖鄉。
太府鄉，
太府鄉，
因為草莓它的甜分比較高啊，它可以做臭梅酒。
That's right. There's a lot of products that can be derived out of strawberries. 其實有很多甜點，當然跟草莓有關，然後包括這個所謂的草莓酒也是。Right? But don't drink and drive though. Okay?
對，不能開車。
對，不能開車了，在這種狀況。Right? 這句話客語可以教一下。
可以啊。
來，
食酒做唔得食菜。
食酒做唔得食菜。OK， 就是喝酒了就千萬不可以開車了，對不對 ？Okay, that's how you say don't drink and drive in Hakka. Although you can enjoy some great strawberry wine when you go to Dahu. All right, let's review all these terms. Strawberry, 草莓，
臭梅，
臭梅 and in 大湖鄉 Dahu Township,
太府鄉
and enjoy some strawberry wine, 草莓酒，
臭梅酒。
臭梅酒 And one more time, don't drink and drive. How do you say that in Hakka?
食酒做唔得食菜。
喝酒不開車，對不對？食酒做唔得食菜。Again, don't drink and drive. 喝酒不開車咯。There you go. Another great edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.